Now, there's a specific kind of chaos that doesn't look like chaos from the outside. Your business is still running, you're still showing up, but inside your head, everything feels like it's piled on top of everything else, and you can't figure out where to start, so you just don't. I know that feeling really well. Last year, my daughter was going through a really intense assessment process, specialists, appointments, evaluations, follow ups. It was a lot to coordinate, and it was emotionally exhausting in a way that's hard to describe. My brain during that season felt like mashed potatoes. That's the only way I can put it. And my business still had to run. Hi, I'm Samantha. If you're new here, I'm a business systems specialist, and I help online business owners build systems that hold things together, especially when life is making that really hard. So here's what I actually did during that season and what I do now whenever things start to feel like too much. So the first thing is get it out of your head. Don't organize it yet, just get it out. When everything feels chaotic, it's almost always because too much is living in your brain with nowhere to go. So the first move is a brain dump. The one thing that if you did it today would make tomorrow feel just a little bit lighter. That's it. Client stuff, business ideas, the thing you said you'd follow up on, the thing you keep forgetting, the thing that's been quietly stressing you out for 2 weeks, all of it. The goal isn't to solve anything yet. The goal is to stop using your brain as a storage unit. And then once it's out, something shifts. It's not fixed, but it feels smaller, more manageable. Like you can actually look at it without it looking back at you. Now, if you want a guided way to do this, I do have a $9 workshop called Get Your Business Out of Your Head that walks you through exactly how to brain dump, sort, and give everything a home inside your project management system. The link is in the description if you think that would be helpful for you. Okay, and then the second thing I recommend is to give everything a home, even a temporary one. So once it's out of your head, it still needs to live somewhere. So this is where a lot of people get stuck because they think the home has to be perfect, but it doesn't. A temporary home is 100 times better than no home at all. During the assessment season with my daughter that I mentioned earlier, I built a simple project just for my daughter's appointments and specialists. It wasn't fancy, but it was a place where that information lived that wasn't in my brain. It was inside Asana instead. Contact info, upcoming appointments, notes from the last visit, all in one spot. And that one small thing freed up so much mental space. You can do the same thing for your business. Not a whole new system, just containers. This pile goes here, that pile goes there. You can reorganize everything later when you have more capacity. But right now, you just need things to stop floating around in your head. Okay, and then the third thing is find the one thing that will make tomorrow feel less hard. Not the most important thing, not the thing that makes the biggest impact, the one thing that if you did it today, it would make tomorrow feel a little bit lighter. Sometimes that's sending the email you've been avoiding. Sometimes it's setting up a recurring task so you stop having to remember something every week. Sometimes it's just closing open loops that have been sitting there making noise. One thing, okay? That's it. Because when your capacity is low, momentum matters more than strategy. You're not trying to build the perfect system right now. You're trying to get through the week and feel a little less like everything is on fire. The bigger system can come later, and it will be so much easier to build when you're not running on empty. Trust me. So, speaking of building that bigger system, once the chaos settles and you're ready to actually organize your business properly, the next step is making sure everything has a real home, not just a temporary one. Now, I did a whole video on the exact structure I use to organize every part of my business, the categories, the projects, all of it. It's called How I Organize My Entire Business in Asana. So go watch that one next right here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.